E te ti, e te tā tēnā koutou katoa, nau mai, piki mai kake mai ki tēnei whakapāhotanga ki runga i a whakaata Māori e whakatairanga hia ana i te hākina kina ki tēnei o ngā rea ngā kura tuarioa, nau mai e te iwi ki tēnei whakataitai e ki ana ko te Super 8 kei Tauranga moana māua ko te o husband i tēnei ata e whakapāho ana i tēnei kēmu ki Wainganui i ngā toki o tēnei whakataitai mai rāno ara ko Tauranga moana me Rotorua nui a kahumata momoe.
Yes, wonderful to have you with us here in Whakaata Māori today for this Thursday lunchtime clash. Two traditional rivals going head-to-head today with Rotorua Boys up against Tauranga Boys and hosted by Tauranga. It's always a wonderful celebration of sport, as you can see. The crowd, people on the side, pretty interesting.
I just see some unducks over there, D.
I thought that they were in there. Oh, they might have been togs. There's the kickoff. And first man with the ball is Samuel Howe. Early kicking game, important. Bit of a late shot there. The referee was having a nosy at it, but all is well. Still grappling for the ball. Plenty of fight and muscle going in to try and retrieve that football. Referees keeping a close eye on proceedings. This is Charlton once again through the hands of Paynton. Keeps it alive. Beautiful run here. Saliki Koro. I know we're mentioning Charlton and his number 5 partner plenty, but their workload at the moment impressive as Curtis gets hold of the ball. Little slipped pass, smartly delivered as well up to Satyu. I told him to put him away. Last side of the field, throw in, taken by Rogers. This team is sure up around him. This is good work from the line out. by Rotorua. The referee is looking closely. So Chapman from wide out, putting the icing on the cake. He hits that one nicely, hits the post and still goes through to pick up the extra 2 points. And Kane, I think, was also from Tauranga, Brody Metallic. And again, you just see the power of this Rotorua forward pack. Look at them, they've surged forward. That's got to be 15 or 20 metres. And then peeling away with it is Tavake. Problems here for Tauranga Boys with another beautiful weaving run, which should go all the way for Tauwaru Waititi. Brilliant solo effort, great lead-up work from his teammates in the success that they've enjoyed so far. Tauwaru Waititi. And from close range, Chapman misses his last one. He's in New Zealand's competition. And, of course, guys like Liam Messi out of the Rotorua Boys High, who scores with an opportunist try in the right-hand corner. And Laue, Te Mahi, with the Tama. Here's Finn Curtis from wide out, this time holding up and hits the upright, this time away. 12-5 is your scoreline here after 20 minutes of action here in Super 8.
Ko Saliki Koro, ana, haere whakamua ana ka ahatia rātou, he aha te aha, mā wai te paoro, mā te topatahi. Me te whurupeke ina enei, ko Makoi tērā, struck by a big defence. Hawhi peke, hoki anō te pōro ki a Makoi, big Facebook i te taha matau, te parirau, MΑORI, ko tau te pōro, ko pakaru mai te hari, te koa me te kata.
Well, that's bringing us close as we imagined this game would be. As we looked at the form coming in, is this one going to curve around for him? It won't. So we stay at 12-10, 24 gone. That one's gone to ground, and so it would be Rotorua come up with the ball. They haven't had any possession for a few moments. And the momentum has certainly been with Tauranga. This time, Rotorua have it on the far side of the field, and they'll be looking for a breakthrough as Waititi sets his teammate alight, the chip over the top, and now the chase is on. It'll beat everyone to touch, or will it? Again, plenty of wheels for Lockie Chapman. Very evenly matched, these two teams, as we come towards the half-time break. Back again, and this one's a charge down. Let's see how the ball bounces. In the end, it's okay and retrieved there by the fullback.
Te tūmanako ia I whai ngā kapa e rua e tihi kemu prakatihi, e tihi kemu a whakaharatau. I mua I tēnei tukinga.
Nate McDonald's into the mix as well. This time it's today, poor Tene. And they'll be called back as well.
Kari kōwhai kei te haere. Matu te maipi tēnei. Ko wai, kei wainga nui. Ko mea pēo tērā, e werohi ana te rārangi. Tahi minta, te tawhiti. Tauranga moana, I ahatia.
Having an absolute whale of a time defensively so far, but still Tauranga with the ball, and still Charlton continues to trouble them.
Tauranga moana anō. Wero atu, wero mai, te tahapoto I nāianei. Tērā o ngā parirau maui, kua whakawhiti atu ki te parirau matau. Nathan Theron, kei runga no atu e hoa.
Theron, Nathan and jersey number 14. An important kick here for Finn Curtis. We'll ride him home. Hits it, is it going to come around? It's gone too far and will go across the face of the uprights. Driven forward by his teammates, close to the line now. Tavaki is still in possession. Referee having a decent look. Rogers is at the back. Climbing forward, inch by inch. Millimetre by millimetre. Then it's delivered up. Cut out balls out wide. Lovely work for Chapman. Feeds it on beautifully, and it's Tauranga Waititi in the corner, scoring his second try of the afternoon. That levels things up here. In fact, 17-15, pushing up the scoreline. Yeah, certainly, Lockie Chapman was instrumental in this. Is some of the kicking duties. This is his favoured side. Bring that one around and just to the left-hand side of the upright.
Round one, game one, it feels like it's a grand final.
It doesn't in some ways, doesn't it? But, you know, the impact off the bench shouldn't be understated as well, as we get a decent double around here from McDonald's, keeping it alive through the hands of Curtis. Out it comes onto McQuaid, who puts the kick through. The chase is on. Almost trying to get it to was Nathan Theron. He might have been looking for try number 3. Wasn't too far away from the mark, to be honest.
Oia ki te wāhi I hui tahi ai te marea. Te tiki me te piki o te poro. Charlton. Haere takirua ana. I poto tonu. Ko te mahi a te paumua tēnei. Kei te hu peke peke. Engari auare ake.
Lovely ball into the hands of Waititi. It's been outstanding, 2 tries already. This time it's Mason Barry who has it. And Rotorua counting down the clock as well. They've got one eye on the clock, one eye on the line. Dummy half work. Halfback work, apologies. There's Hatu Edmonds, hoodie white. He's been good. And he again waits, but this time, minutes, Tauranga have possession. The big forwards start to put their worth as well as they push forward. 17 is Willie Engelbrecht. And the tackle there, solid. Rotorua get possession. A very meaningful tackle in the context of the game. Chipping over the top. Have we got one last little piece to add to the puzzle here this afternoon? It goes right back to the fullback who kicks the touch on the far side of the field, and that may be curtain call. The referee blows his whistle, and for the fans watching on, a Tauranga Boys College disappointment, but for the visitors, they celebrate as well they might. A great effort here and a wonderful challenge for both teams. Ultimately, it's Rotorua Boys High School's first 15 who get this one, beating Tauranga Boys College 17-15.